Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I pretty much make over and transform this cheap wig that I got from online. And I got bamboozled, okay? So if you want to see how I get something more presentable and cute, then definitely let's have some fun and keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I don't know what this quite is yet. I mean, I can probably work with the closure though. I can probably work it out, y'all. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna cut it in the bob that I've been picturing. Let's do it like right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what if I cut my real hair? Let me make sure my braids are up in this thing. Ooh, they're not. Ooh, that would have been a tragedy. That would have been not fun at all. But already I'm liking the short vibes. Ooh, yes, I am liking this so far. This is kind of cute though. What? Okay, I like it. Even with the waves, it's kind of cute. They said this could be. They said this could be. What is it called? Straighten. So. Yeah, we're gonna definitely test that out. But so far, this is not ugly like this. I feel like I can make it less wiggy. We can do that, you know. Ooh, okay. So let's. Yeah. So obviously, this is like a costume wig. It's not nowhere near real. Oh man, I think I'm doing this all uneven. But it's okay, because maybe we can try to do like a little side get up. Because we're going to have to do something with this. Look, it was supposed to come with baby hairs. They didn't do any of that. But this is kind of cute. Like say if I, oh, that's definitely tracks right there. Oh, like something like that is not bad. It's not horrible. Work it. Okay. So we might do something. I don't know if we can do the side part because it's not sticking, as you can see, because it's a track. But that one looks so cute. I'm just having fun. We'll figure it out. But the middle, oh my gosh. His hair is just like not cooperating. Okay. So. Should we straighten it or should we do this wet look? I really like how that looks, so. Makeup. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just have to trim some baby hairs or something. I don't know, y'all. I'm like really feeling this, even if it's not like super. I don't know. I really like this. Yay. Even if it's super uneven, it's okay, because you know those styles where it's like uneven. Even with this little wave, it's looking cute. So let me try to put some baby hairs up in here. I don't know. I don't even rock baby hairs, to be honest, when I do my hair down. But apparently, it's the popular thing. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Like the little bang. That's cute. Ooh. Ooh, sassy. Help me. But I feel like since I don't normally do baby hairs, why not try it? Because I think it will help with covering up like this stuff. A little weird, I don't know. It's definitely not a lace wig, that's for sure. So, I don't know, it kind of even sits right. Like, I like it. I don't know, y'all. I really thought I was gonna have to do a whole lot. But what we're gonna do is straighten it. And then, let me try to even it out somewhere. Okay, so I like this length, to be honest. I don't know what else to do. This is cute. Like, I would rock this. So let me just put some concealer right here just to make it look a little bit more realistic. This is just some regular concealer. This is blonde, and this is not the color of scalp that I'm using. I think I just ruined it. Now I'm gonna have to find some powder or something, because this right here is a little too dark. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Alright, let me find some powder or something, because this is obviously looking botched now. Okay, so I found these concealer or foundation sticks that I got from Juvia's place a while ago, and I think they're like really pale. Well, that one's not really pale. I got a pale one. Ooh, look at this one. So I'm gonna just try to put some of this on to blend it in with the to blend this stuff in with the hair. And it's actually working. Kind of. It's kind of making it look pink, but it's helping a little bit. I don't know, this lighting keeps going in and out. Still getting used to this new camera setup. My lens broke, so I had to get a new one, and this lens is not the same as the other one, so bear with me. I don't know. What's that looking like? It's looking too crazy. Okay, so I don't know. I don't feel like it's necessary to do baby hairs. But to be honest, I like how this looks. Even like this. If I add some baby hairs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is straighten it to see how it's going to turn out with it being straight. Okay, it is titanium, and titanium tends to like burn quicker, so we're gonna put this on a lower setting because usually it'll be up in 400s, but I know this hair is fake, so we're gonna see if it even straightens. Is it straightening? Somewhat. Let's see if I can curl it. No. No. No, boo-boo. Straight or curly? Straight or curly? Okay, why did I cut this now? Oh, I'm gonna do something with it. We'll figure it out. Blonde girl, platinum blonde. Oh no, definitely can't keep it on there for a long time because I feel it. Oh, it's uneven. Look at that. See, it doesn't look bad when it's that's cute. Hey. This is curly, straight. That's not looking too bad either. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Woo! It's melting. Oh my gosh, it feels so thin in the back too. It's really thin in the back, I feel. But it is what it is. I'm gonna straighten it a little bit more underneath here. They made some quick money too. Knowing people be wanting to, you know, try some hair and stuff, so they knew they were gonna make some quick money. But knowing once they got your money and this stuff is crap, it's like they go and leave off the face of the earth. So they made their quick little money. It's really sad. And people with legit businesses be the ones that don't get the business, you know. But I don't know, it's so uneven, so I'm gonna just cut it a little bit more. Hubby helped and assisted. It's super thin in the back, y'all. I don't know, this is just a fun little video trying to transform this little cheap wig, because They tried it, man. Oh, they didn't try, actually they did, because I think I only paid like $50 for these 3 wigs. The other 2, we'll see what we can do with those later, but this one was on my mind because I was like, ooh, I want to see how it will look with the blonde bob. And I really felt like I can do something cute with it. And I was gonna say, it actually doesn't look too bad, but it's something I definitely won't be able to wear out because them tracks are showing. Yeah, I wouldn't even be able to wear this out unless I do like a style like this or something. There's not much I can do to it, but if it was like a real lace wig and stuff, I would be able to curl it and do different stuff. But this is all that I can do with it. It's thin in the back, so I can't really wear it out. But from the front, it's super cute. I even liked it when it was wavy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm done. Nothing much I can do. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.